Hello, in front of me I've got 70mai Dashcam Lite 2. In this video I'll show you how to attach the camera to front windshield. Firstly, we have to prepare this plastic fiber and this plastic holder. Firstly, degrease and clean the front windshield properly. Then take a look at this tutorial. You have to pull this plastic cover from this plastic holder and then glue it to front windshield. Now take a look at the back of your camera and now simply slide this holder upwards. Then remove this plastic cover and attach it to the plastic that you've got already on your front windshield, like this. Now the camera should not fall from the front windshield. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.